One condition I had put in front of my husband before I got married to him, that I will never relocate with him to this town. We may live in any other city, but not this town. आपने क्या देवानंद की गाइड देखी है जिसमें वो कहते हैं कि मैं यहाँ जाना चाहता था और किस्मत मुझे यहाँ ले आई, मैं यहाँ आना चाहता था तो किस्मत मुझे उधर ले गई। मेरे साथ भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ। मैं यहाँ नहीं आना चाहती थी, बट किस्मत मुझे यहाँ ले ही आई। एंड देन आई सरेंडर्ड टू द डेस्टिनी, just like Devanand said. So today I am going to share with you how it's been moving from big cities to a town like Udmalpet or Udmalpet. If you are a person who likes big spaces, lots of greenery, and their mornings to start with the sounds of birds and wind blowing rather than traffic, then this is the place to be. If you're here to find malls, multiplexes, cafes, and pubs, then this place is definitely not for you, because there is none. When I came here, that was a big shock for me. It took me a while to get easy with this kind of a difference. Dining is a luxury here, and people choose not to do it often. So it's difficult to find out very good dining out places. However, food local to this place and street food is easily available here.
One thing that we really miss in Udmalpet is availability of brands in almost all categories. For this, we are either dependent on Chennai or Coimbatore. Such things are so easily available in cities that we take them for granted.
In case of education, if you compare this town or any other town to the way cities have progressed, obviously they don't score well. But the fact also remains that these towns have produced real talent in almost every field who are doing well in India as well as abroad. As a mother and educator, I often worry about my son, his education, his future. What's best for him? The exposure that I had in Delhi, which gave me life skills not only to be successful there, but also be successful here, a place which has totally different language and culture from what I learned. Or the exposure my husband and his so many classmates had, living here, studying here, and then making a mark outside this place. This is the thought that often worries me, confuses me, and I keep thinking about it. I'm still in question about it, and I would like to know, what do you think about it?
People here are mainly engaged in small-scale trading, textile industry and farming. Many people also move out of this town to the cities to earn a better living. Work from home and pandemic lockdowns have brought many of them back home.
Very close to hill stations like Valparai and Munnar, this is the place where you'll actually find long drives very awesome and therapeutic. Life is very slow here. There is no rush, there are never any crowds, weekday or weekend. The life starts buzzing at 6 in the morning and almost closes or shuts down at 8:30 in the night. That's moving from a city to a town is everybody's personal choice. In my opinion, life puts us at places at a particular point of time because we are needed to be here. We chose this place because it worked with our circumstances. Future of our child and our own changing desires might make us choose something different. We let the life decide its course.